with my man Will. What's going on, Will?
How you doing?
Everything good, man. You got a hell of a car right here. Let them know your car right here.
Thank you. It's a 1966 Corvette Convertible. Got the 327, 300 horsepower motor. It has a Powerglide transmission. It power windows, power steering, power brakes, power antenna, air conditioning.
Okay.
It's loaded.
Okay. So what made y'all get this? What made you get this car right here?
Well, it's a good story behind it.
Okay.
Of course, it's my aunt and uncle's car, and I show it some. And anyway, they bought it initially in 1989,
Gotcha.
and they had it till 2002. Sold it.
Okay.
Bought it back in 2010.
Okay.
And has had it ever since.
Okay. When you got it back, did you have to did you start restoring it and everything?
They did. They repainted the car and put new carpet in it. Everything else is original to the car. The interior, motor, everything is original to the car.
You yourself, what got you into cars?
My uncle and my aunt got me into going to cars and car shows. They used to buy and sell and swap and had a good time.
Gotcha. So what's your dream car?
Well, this one.
This one. Okay, good answer.
Yeah, this one.
All right. So you ain't gonna let it slide out the family again, are you?
Hope not.
Hope not. Gotcha. Understand.
Yes, sir.
What's up, man?